Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Monday.com dashboards with workload and capacity detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Monday.com dashboards with workload and capacity, first, log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the specific dashboard you want to review. Check if you have the necessary permissions to access the dashboard features. Locate the workload widget within the dashboard. Click on the workload widget to open it. Review the team members listed in the workload view. Observe the assigned tasks alongside each team member. Examine the capacity of each team member displayed in the widget. Compare the assigned workload against individual capacity limits. Identify any team members who may be overbooked. Click on their names to view the specific tasks assigned. If a team member is over capacity, consider reassigning tasks to balance workload. Next, assess the overall team capacity displayed in the dashboard. Check for any visual cues like color coding indicating workload status. Utilize the filters to narrow down the tasks by specific criteria, such as status or due date. Ensure that all daily, weekly, or monthly workload trends align with your project goals. After reviewing the workload, navigate to any other relevant dashboards if necessary. Take note of any discrepancies between workload and project timelines. Document your observations for future reference or discussions. Once all checks are complete, determine necessary adjustments to maintain balance in workload. Communicate any changes to your team effectively. Finally, schedule regular reviews of your dashboards to ensure ongoing accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.